Ako na ang masusunod mula ngayon, ha? Okay, gusto ko pagka-plan shop mo, nilalapit mo yung ulo mo ng konti para nakikita mo ang mga gugot. Sandwich plus full spot number 3 sa Binoy Countdown this week at hindi sila masasadlak sa kumuroy kung ipagpapatuloy nilang ang pagboto para sa mga music video. Your sandwich with full tip was now occupied the number 2 spot. Well, this is reality. Ako na talaga ang average. Nag-trade tayong places. And trading places from sandwich or the places Calla Lily. Props to all the Callalistas for making an effort na makabago ulit sila sa charts with me. At Nana by Calla Lily at number 2. This is not a political. Before I tell you kung sino nasa top spot ng charts this week, let's first do a recap of videos number 3 all the way to number 2. Excuse me, mag-ino ka rin sa bahan yun. This is life. Laptop still had inside the top spot as they remained the undisputed leader for 2 straight weeks dito sa Pinoy Mixed Countdown. At ang Karino Batal at number 1. Mari na kayong kumain. Once a day lang, ha? Lalo na ikaw pala. And that was Carino Brutal by Slap Socket number 1. If you guys want to download the top training list, all you have to do is text MixNoisy and send that to 2366. Para naman sa mga ringtones, PMYXO PM for polytones or MYXO PM for monotones, and send that to 366. Para naman bumoto, next Facebook face title of the video and send that to 366. At maaari nyo rin kami sundan sa Twitter. Mix Philippines. Bari nyo akong sundan sa Twitter, Nikki Hill. At i-add nyo rin kami sa Facebook, Mix Philippines. At bago ako umalis, akin na yung room na yan. Bawal ko ako na yan. Akin na yung room na yan. Hindi na ikaw ang may-ari ng bahay. Okay. Diyan na sa kape ko. Where is my coffee, oh? Why is that? Okay. Salamat. Bakit ka naman